Here's an update on the nest I have been watching for the past weeks. So it's the bird is American Robin, and I've been watching them. Oh my god, I was trying to get around the bushes because the bees were everywhere. But anyways, I've been watching them. So I think that this bird has been hatched for a week, and man, birds yeah, oh my god, look at him or her. She or he developed so quickly. And those are the eggs before. There used to be 4 eggs, and now there's only 1 bird left. So I searched up all the possible ways, and they all say that they like eaten by predators. There was another bee.